Here we will learn how to write a program in Python for a simple calculator. The program will take two integers as input and output their sum. And here we should use input. Remember, inputs results in string. Okay, so the first variable x equals float or integer. Let's say use float, and then input, enter, enter the first number. Okay, and Control C for this, and let it y, Control V, and this is y, will be y, and enter the second here, replace first to second number. Okay, and then we will print sum equals x plus y. Okay, sorry, y, enter. Okay, and then print print اللي هو the sum أو summation, the summation or the sum of the addition of the two numbers. Okay, I have to be call this. Okay, here, done, and then print sum. Okay, let's run this code. Enter the first number, enter the second number, addition of the two numbers 9. Why? It takes any numbers 6 and yeah, it takes 6 and 3. Yes, so because it's a program, so it takes the number 6 for the first number and the number 3 for the second number. Let's try again. Run. Give the same. If there is test case 2, let's try. This 11 and 22. So the summation will be 333. Okay. Okay. A test for case 3. Close this one. This is not open. Okay, hidden. So it's working. Okay. Thanks for listening.